Hi friends, today I am showing microcontroller how to divide, that means division. Okay. So my mm, division program here, compile div and enter. Okay. Select chief. I'm using this chief. Okay. To the folder's burner, and now click. Wait for till finish burning. It's just like multiplication. Here is I'm showing the division, triple digit to triple digit, that means 999 to 999. Okay, open this to the folder and power on. Look here, ready. Show the first digit, suppose 125, and next digit is 5. So result, look here, 125 divided 5, so result 25. Okay, result 5. So if the switch press, so result out. Okay, 25. Look, 25. Now I'm going to change, just sorry, decrement and x to 999. Okay, wait for 999. This is 999 first location. Next 5, sorry, 999. If we divide, so the result, look here, divided result 1. So if the press, result should be 1. Look, 1. Okay, so 999 divided by, suppose, 11. Okay, look here, 999, next 11. Okay, result 90. Okay, so wait for 90. So our calculation is okay. Now suppose wait, I'm going to digit, suppose 78 divided by 11. So 78 divided by 11, look result 7. Look result 7. Okay, now going to another 114. Yes, 50. 114 divided by 114 divided by 11, 10. Okay, so the 114, 119, 13. So look, result 9. What was our digit? 119. 119 divided, next digit 13 by 1 3. equal to 9. Look here. So our calculation is okay. I'm showing another one. 173 divided by we have to have a 23. So 23, so 7. Okay, look, 7. So our calculation is doing successful program. So this program and the multiplication program are almost same. Okay, almost same. Just we change here. Look, um, more delay added because it's one is for more delay time. Okay, nothing else. You can delay as your requirement. I'm just change here. Look, I'm showing you where is program is only difference. Yeah, first here calculation type almost same, just like multiplication. Only divided position is different. Look here, divided position is different because we need to different divided division for the divide 32. Okay, this portion is difference, other almost same by your multiplication or everything. Just all decimal data to convert hexa, and next location 1 and location 2 addition. Just after addition stored to the d1 d2 first data, again second data convert, and then divided store here and just fix it to output. Okay, and now I'm showing you the all data again for your understand, and here have I put every calculation routine here: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, all am put here, so you can find, and you if you need for the calculation you can call the routine for any calculation, suppose subtraction, multiplication, division or addition. So I am putting here all calculation here from the first routine program here. Okay, I am showing you everything is same except division part is separate, and I put here addition, subtraction, multiplication and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, this is division program, all are same. You look, all are same. Extra addition, subtraction and multiplication is subroutine is right here, so you can collect from this page. Here is all routine is here. addition at 16 at 32 sub 16 sub 32 mul 816 mul 8 mul 16 u mul 16 divide u divide div 16 develop div 32 div 32 u div 32 which is your requirement. You just copy the routine and paste your writing page. EEPROM site. Same multiplication and division part are same, except division part is separate because need to calculation division, so call the routine division is still part. This is the end. So friends, I think you can understand how the microcontroller divide